And welcome to Omero TV. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up. God bless you. May Edochie is not my problem. My problem is Daniela. She is my problem. Coming from a failed father that abandoned his own children. My people, Yul Edochie has been fighting a battle with his own daughter. Not be everything dey social media. Many things dey happen behind closed door. A secret battle is going on between father and daughter. This whole battle started when Yul Edochie asked his daughter make the daughter give am money, borrow am money, say he wan take do project, and Daniela refused. Since then, they say battle has been going on between Yul Edochie and his daughter Daniela. Yul Edochie don go dey talk many things about Daniela outside, trying to condemn this little girl name. Now wow. Trying to say all kind of things about this little girl because the girl refused to borrow him money. Money where they dash the girl the time when she follow her mother go Ebonyi State. The family of May Edochie, they donated money together. They give Daniela. They gave her a plot of land as a gift. This girl never touched that money. She never even got that plot of land, think of what to do with it. Mr. Polygamous, wey not polygamous, say make this girl, make Daniela, carry the money, give am, say him get project. Or make Daniela give am land, make him take do project. As the girl refuse, now Yul Edochie begin dey spoil Daniela name dey go. They tell people say Daniela na him be a problem. So according to Yul Edochie, he said many people they think say May Edochie na him be problem. Many people they think say May Edochie na bad person. Say many people they think say May Edochie na him make am no dey Ajamasho, or na May Edochie na him make am no get any property from their property, even the joint account when it be say him name dey. He say many people they think say na May Edochie na him dey do all this work. Una actor wey they call Yul Edochie say that is capital N-O no. Say May Edochie when he marry, he say he can define May Edochie very well. They started at a very young age. Very, very young age. They grew up together. The age when they take marry, na age when pikin take they grow to know himself. That means both of them grew up together. He said he know May Edochie very well. He said the person, the most softest heart in this whole wide world, he said na May Edochie. He said the May Edochie when he married, May Edochie cannot throw him out of Ajamasho. May Edochie cannot stay and abandon him without nothing. He said May Edochie no fit reject him. Her heart is too soft. He said May Edochie is a good woman. She's a kind person. He said no matter how you offend May Edochie, remember, May Edochie dey forgive 1,000,000 times. He said so far that person just realize the mistake. He said May Edochie can forgive you 1,000,000 times. She will continue to forgive and continue to tell you, please stop hurting me. He said May Edochie have a good heart. He said May Edochie mind not strong. He said the person behind the whole thing when it happen, he said na Daniela. Hey, now wow, my people. He said na Daniela na dey behind everything when it happen. He said people don't know Daniela. He said that girl might be like stone. Say be like stool. He say una no hear the day wey they talk for social media. He say na so he be say very stubborn. He say in the talk say he stubborn. He say in the talk say he stubborn. People go dey tell am say don't be saying you stubborn. He say but Daniela, he wey be stubborn man, he dey dread this girl. He say na Daniela dey do everything. Now they tell him mama no, chase him out, cut this, cut that. He said Daniela na dey behind all the actions wey me Edochie dey take. He said one day when they meet for court, now he kneel down, he come dey cry for court. He come tell judge say, I don't want to leave my wife. We grew up together. She's everything to me. Forget saying they do strong man. Forget everything. But if your wife leave him, he will never recover. He said the whole court, he kneel down. He said people they thought say, you did not beg, you did not do this. He said not be everything they social media. He said for court that day kneel down, they cry. He said everybody for court now, so they come bend, they look at. He said now me Edochie waka. They come meet am. One come meet am, tell am, maybe tell am, say, don't cry, stop, get up. He said Daniela hold him mama hand. He said Daniela hold me Edochie. Tell him mama say make he leave am. Make he dey cry, no sensibility cry for them. Wetin they cry. Person wey regret wetin they do will not continue to be doing evil. He said make him mama leave am, make he cry. If he cry finish, he'll get up. He said me Edochie couldn't bear it. The woman stand up again. He said Daniela hold him mama. See Irish. He said many times for that court, when me Edochie for drop many things down, he said na this Daniela. He said there is no court case where mama they go with Daniela, no they go. Once they just say come to court, Daniela will leave everything that she's doing, will follow the mother. If the mama just get anything to do with her, Daniela go dey front. Say no whether na Daniela na he marry or na me Edochie na he marry. He said before his mama go even say make he talk, Daniela voice don't sharp come aside. Did you do it or you did not do it? Hey, did you post or you did not post? The me Edochie will get issue with her. Me Edochie no go talk. Daniela mouth go they go up, they go down, champ. He said Daniela is his problem. He said this Daniela don't spoil so many things for her. He said there was a time when he begged me Edochie money. When they admit one of his child. He said he send a DM to me Edochie. He said me Edochie read that DM. He said this woman wanted to send money. When he hear say child matter they involve. He said me Edochie no care say she lost her child. She wanted to send that money. He saw the message. He said the next thing Daniela send a message. Tell her say you know this shame. So shame let you come here come dey beg money. You come here. So if your mama give you money, you collect. He said Daniela tell her for your face. Say that will never happen in her presence. Daniela tell her say if you know say condition critical, may go pick plastic bottle make it sell. Money they make money. If you be say you not see money, carry her not pay. He colo metus and he dancing on social media. He not pay again. The fake church when he create, if he not pay again, they not agree pay and tight. He said Daniela say make him go sell plastic, make him go they pick plastic for dustbin, make it sell. He said that one you don't need capital. You just only to wear cloth, wear boots, enter inside dustbin, they pick plastic. You go sell, you go make money. He said now waiting Daniela tell him be that. He said Daniela is his problem. He said this girl has blocked everything for him. He said a lot of things when he for still gain for me Edochie hand. He said that house when he did for their mansion for village, he said na Daniela stand the ground for them. He said remember very well when Leo, his elder brother, and me Edochie talk about that house. He said me Edochie tell the elder brother say the reason why they built the house was because she thought that maybe one day she and her husband they'll decide to go stay village at old age so that they'll see where to stay. But as it be say, she don't come up for the marriage. She don't have anything to do there again. Make Yul Edochie carry the house, me carry the go. After all, the house, now their village, now the house stay. He said that was what me Edochie told his elder brother Leo. Say what she won't come to fight for, what she won't come use the house they do. The house is not in her father village. It's not in her mother village. Her mother is not from Iteje. Her father is not from Iteje. What will she be doing with Iteje house? Yul Edochie carry. He said now waiting me Edochie tell Leo. He said the next thing, this same Daniela, because Percy tell her no be say he gets some. Percy tell her, say Daniela tell mama say, for mama to dash Yul Edochie that house, he go put fire, he go burn the house to ashes. He said this girl not also saying go sell her, he said go burn the house to ashes. For him mama to carry the house give Yul Edochie. Say me go build you. Make him and Judy Austin, may they go build land for Iteje. May they go build. Say Daniela say never. He said Daniela now start the whole thing when me Edochie can't collect that mansion back. Say Daniela has been an obstacle in many things. Now they go they tell people. Say the problem is not me Edochie. His problem is Daniela. He say many things when me Edochie for overlook. He say but Daniela no dey let him mama. Say many things when it dey happen. If he sit down look and go say no. How can me Edochie change? This is not me Edochie. Now there he come put eye for ground. He come see say now Daniela I be the master planner. Very tough girl. Say Daniela open mouth. He will be papa. He tell her say I will show you Pepe. I will show you Pepe. I will so frustrate you. Say na so Daniela tell her. He say imagine Daniela call her. Tell her say papa I don't like the video you are posting. He tell Daniela say if you don't like my video, jump her pass. He say now he unfollow Daniela just to teach her a lesson. He said Daniela block her. He unfollow just to teach her a lesson that I am your father. You don't tell me what to do. He said this girl not even call say hello papa did you unfollow me? He said Daniela just block her. All the social media platform. This girl block her. Block her for everywhere. He said this girl block her for everywhere. He said that is how tough this girl can be. He said sometimes he cries. He said they cry sometimes. Because he knew that me Edochie would have never abandoned him. Me Edochie for no leave her. Say, but you see Daniela, now it be obstacle. As they talk all this word they go, now so they carry go tell Daniela, say your papa say, now you be the problem. Say me Edochie not be a problem. Say your wife when you know, your wife gets soft hearts. Me Edochie dislike to see people crying, suffering, going through pains. He said that's why before you see her take action, it's very difficult. They say as they tell Daniela, now Daniela send another tough message. Go give your papa. Tell your papa say anything wey concern mama, concern your family, may papa no dey talk again. May it start from where he dey now. Because nobody pursue am comot for us. Now he wake up one morning say he won't start family. Oga, you don't start family. Start talking about your daughter. You no born baby girl for them. Abi they never born girl for you. Talk about wetin that girl dey do. Wetin concern her, Daniela, remove am from your mouth. You go surprise say she will be the first daughter when he sue papa go court for Nigeria. Maybe they happen, but you see your own with your own, you go too tough. Social media news go ring well. No provoke am. They say Daniela tell papa say make papa not provoke am because he no get time. With wetin papa do, he go sue papa go court and he go ask for damages. Say because he just decide to be quiet, because he no want talk a lot of things. If papa dey carry him name dey go, say na him be the problem, na him be the problem of his life. May Edochie is a good woman. She don't have strong heart. Daniela mind is strong. Now Daniela tell papa say that's why mama born her. Because God say and say mama get soft mind. Now I give am pikin wey go defend her. If not, na so she for use this soft mind, una for still use am till enter her house. That's safe. Now Daniela tell papa say na the soft mind wey you see make you go carry Judy Austin come say make he come enter the house. Now make you go carry am come. You for bring her come now. By this time Judy Austin for that day we share. Now wetin Daniela tell the papa o. If to say Yul Edochie carry Judy Austin come the house, he said by this time, he said now we share. Now Judy Austin for take the waka. In short, she for don run. She for see polygamy, she go run. She say she alone go finish am. You don't need the mother. He say yes, he agree. Anything wey papa talk, he agree. But he dey want am may leave him name alone because they not get any connection. You not get anything wey they contribute to her life. Now they feed person, now they control person, now they talk to person, now they command person. You have nothing doing for her. Concentrate on the family where you they put food for their table. All those one, no matter what you talk for them, all of them go they say yes sir. As you the Austin change to Mumu follow you. As you the help and they pay children school fees. Lazy woman, she cannot even stand up and pay the school fees of children where he carry come from another man's house. He carry they give you money, they pay school fees. Why won't she tell you yes sir? Concentrate on those people. Let them be serving you like a king. For a year, you are nobody. You know they feed them. Now you they feed like Judy Austin and her children. When they depend on you for everything. Those ones, you can go there and say what you like. If you try out with this in name where you they carry, they tell people Daniela is the problem. If he hear am, he go sue you. We take you to the courts. And you will pay him. And you will pay her. You go sell everything. Your papa go sell all the property. Una will take pay her. Because she's going so much to, she will so much deal with you, you won't forget it in a hurry. Now Yul Edochie say waiting they talk. You see the way this girl is threatening her? You see the way this girl is talking to her? You see how this girl is treating her? How he not go treat you like that, Amobingo? How he not go treat you? Is it not the same girl that beg you to teach her how to become a producer? You go they teach Judy Austin. You abandon your child. Shame not even still catch you. You can't still post down for this girl present. Say Judy Austin is now a director, a producer. You don't teach her work. Meanwhile, your daughter paid somebody to teach her. And you want her to respect you. How? Why do you think that you can disrespect other people and other people will respect you? They say respect is given to those who deserve it to Yul Edochie. Your daughter say he don't want you. Daniela go sue you go court to Daniela no dey play o. Thank God say you know who she be. Hey, she say she will sue you to court. Say your papa go sell all in land. Say children, your other children no go see property inherit. He know everything where they get for them. He go make sure say till he dry up, he no go leave you for waste. He say may you avoid them. Anything where concern him mama, concern her family, say may you know they talk again. Amobingo Yul Edochie. Say may you know they talk again. Say it's none of your business. This is a family business. Kasala they go on no. Daniela no agree at all. She no agree. She give her back to Yul Edochie. Say she should take his mouth off from them. This is Omero TV. God bless you.